COVID-19 pandemic spread in the world, there were pockets of information with different hospitals across different geographies all around the globe. Researchers attempting to analyze this information scrambled to collaborate in this situation. A collaboration that was often hampered with regulations and privacy laws in different countries restricting access to hospital data. One way where machine learning and AI were helping doctors was in making quicker diagnostic decisions using AI models. For example, AI systems could help triage patients who would need urgent medical care, such as ICU care from large number of admitted patients. But the potential of these AI systems was hampered due to the lack of a global automated learning mechanism for improving these models. And that's where federated learning can help. It can provide a system to harness data from diverse sources beyond a single hospital's reach. We have built a collaborative learning platform which allows hospitals to participate in building a common global machine learning model without directly sharing data and not running afoul with any of the regulatory constraints. To participate in our platform, hospitals just need to pull a Docker image from IBM Cloud, register it with a common coordinator node, and connect it to the hospital's medical records. The coordinator node then orchestrates federated training rounds by distributing a base machine learning model to each participating hospital, requesting it to train the model locally with available data, and sharing just the model updates back to the coordinator. The coordinator then merges these updates and prepares a new global version. These training rounds continue until we obtain good performance. Next, these global models could be hosted on IBM Cloud, and any hospital can request for it by pulling a consumer Docker image. From within the hospital deployment, this container can request for latest machine learning models to render predictions. The hospitals get an admin dashboard for consuming these models. Here on the dashboard, we can request for global models, quickly compare its performance with respect to previous versions, and select it for running predictions. For this demo, we have built two machine learning models using federated learning. First model analyzes X-ray reports to predict severity of a COVID infection, while second model uses various parameters such as blood oxygen level and heart rate, along with many other data points to predict whether a patient would require urgent ICU care. As seen on screen, we can use our machine learning models for specific patient and predict suggestions for the on-duty medical staff. This is probably the first time in history that entire humanity is fighting a common enemy. And we have attempted to build a platform which enables us to fight this unified battle together without running afoul of any regulatory constraints. This is not just limited to pandemic situation, but to all problems plaguing humanity such as advancing cancer treatment, malaria treatment, and multiple other diseases. We believe we have contributed towards building technology which enables humanity to fight global challenges together. Thank you.